Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Agoda flight booking. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you about Agoda flight booking. So, when you're gonna book in Agoda, when you reach a what they call this a higher VIP in Agoda, you will get low prices when you're using Agoda. For example, mine is a gold. I'm a gold member right now, so all the prices, for example, hotels and flight will be lowered. So when you're using the Agoda app to book a flight, just click on flight right here on the top right. After clicking on flight, choose which one do you want. Do you want a one way? If it's a one way, you only have to pay once when you're in the airport. There you go. And we can also choose the round trip. So the round trip is what we call back and forth. So when you fly to let's say China to Philippines, you will have another ticket for Philippines to China. So that's what we call round trip. But the one way is what we call, when gonna give you example, when you fly to China to the Philippines, you will only fly to China to Philippines and you will have to rebook another schedule. So there you go. To choose which one. So right now we're just gonna choose. How about let's choose the round trip because the one way is a very simple thing to do. Or there you go. Once you're here round trip, you will choose right here in the dates on which airport. For example, let's say Manila all airport and then Bacolod all airports. So there we go. We will choose now the date. So the date, let's just say 22, then 24, then continue. So what that means, our flight will be on Sunday and our next flight will be on Tuesday. So we're going to Bacolod on Sunday and going home or going to Manila on Tuesday. And now the next one is the passenger as you can see right here. You can choose how many passengers as you want. You just made two passengers and let's say one children. And here are all the seats. We have economy, premium economy, business, and first class. So for now, we're just gonna choose premium economy, then continue. After doing that, click on search. There you go. It's ranging all the cheapest price in Agoda. As you can see right now, right, it's taking a little bit too long. Wait long. Oh, there you go. As you can see right now, here are all the flights. In the left side, you will see like a flag thingy. So those are the airports. They're the logo of the airports. As you can see, there's a Cebu Go, Philippine Airline, and many more. So right now, on the right side corner, those are all the prices for each flight. And in the middle, as you can see, there's on the top 8:15 to 9:30. So you must the so the departure time is 8:15 and the arrival to Bacolod is 9:30 a.m. So how did I know it's AM? Because they use here is what we call military time. So as you can see right here, 12, 25, and 13. So the meaning of 13 is 1. So 1:40 p.m. And you'll all the and in the middle of it, there's 1 hour and 15 minutes, 1 hour and 15 minutes. Those are the travel time. So a little bit of a tip for you guys: when you're gonna book a what do you call this? We're gonna book a flight. Make sure to be early, like a 2 minutes. I mean 2 hours early, or a rule of thumb, 3 hours before the flight. So yeah, you need to leave your house 3 hours before the flight. It can also depend if you're far or if you're near, and yeah. So after this, choose which one. Let's choose this one right here. Then as you can see, the price is 18,000, but that's per person. 18,000 per person. So I put in two adults and one child. So let's select, and there you go. And now we'll choose our next flight. So what this means, we're gonna choose another flight. So our next flight will be on Tuesday because we're going back to Manila. So the one we choose earlier is Manila to Bacolod. Now we're gonna choose Bacolod to Manila. So there we go. I'm gonna choose this one, top one, and then book. And then there you go. We got two flights already. But the price of it will be all combined because I think I remember 18,000 and there's 17,000 when going back. So that's equivalent to 25,000 per person. And we have two persons and one child. So as you can see, there you go. Total of it is 80,000 pesos. So now, when you're gonna book, as you can see, contact details. Booking, there we go. So here is what we call the information about your passengers. So as you can see here, the contact details, you can put in your name here. Now you should put your name there, your Gmail and everything. Provide everything there. And right here, this one, in the passenger one, here are the passengers, or the passenger, or you and your friend. No, not you and your friend, but you and the passenger too, and is your friend. As you can see, there's a label right there, adult, and child. So there you go. See, this is the child. You need to be more careful when doing this. And I'm gonna give you another tip. So you need to be more careful when you're putting your first name, middle name, last name, birth date, nationality, and everything here when you're gonna type it. Because once you've done that, because if you're not careful about this, what you what will happen is you will have a trouble in the airlines. But for now, we're just gonna test it. So I'm not gonna be careful. So I'm just gonna put random names, date of birth, month, let's see, June, year, on. And there we go. There's a female. Let's put in anything. Last name. There we go. Month, July, year, and 2001. Nationality. Uh, I don't know. There you go. See, nationality. There we go. And this type. I'm sorry for this, guys. I'm just gonna show you how it's done. And day, month, year, 2000. Oh, 2010. So it's child. Nationality. Come on. Look at Samoa. Okay, there we go. And continue add. Oopsie. Forgot. Upgrade support. You can also choose this one too. So let's just make it to 0 basic. Oh yeah, I forgot about the top part. Then country code, Philippines. 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Go continue. Oh, what's wrong here? Oh, 51. There you go. Right. Oopsie. Child ticket are valid for passenger. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna make it 2020. There you go. Would you like to insure your trip? Um, oh, you can also insure your trip. So right now we're not gonna add that because 80,000 is a lot. There you go. Then continue. As you can see right now we are here. Service package premium. Are you sure about skipping upgrade? No thanks. There you go. And there you go, guys. You will now be located right here to the payment option. So when choosing a payment, You can choose credit card. You can pay in credit card or digital payments like GCash and Maya. Just choose any one of those. After that, fill them up and just click on pay. After you click on pay, you will now have a book on your flight, and the code ticket will be given to you in your Gmail. So that is very important to put in your Gmail. So yeah, there you go, guys. Once the Gmail has been sent to you, you'll just need to show that to the airport. So yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.